So, good morning, good evening guys. So, welcome back sa aking munting channel. So, JD Video, Delper TV. So, subscribe na. So, marami nagtatanong ano ba tong SCF? Itong Standard Cross Finance. So, paano kumita dito? So, napakasimple lang itong complan ng SCF. So, kikita ka dito ng 42% monthly. Okay? Ang daily rewards mo dito is 1.4%. So, napakalaking bagay yan. Okay? So, gaano ka-stable yung company? So, itong SCF is more than over 50 million users na po worldwide since 2019. Okay? So, kapag ka-demand po yung SCF, so tumataas yung kanyang liquidity pool. So, makikita yung chart niya dun sa AB Exchange. Okay? So, today, umabot na ng $2.2 billion yung kanyang market cap. So, di ba? So, napakaswerte natin. Nakita natin tong opportunity. Okay? So, wag ka na mag-alinlangan. Sumabay ka na. Okay? So, ang dami ditong kitaan. Pwede kang bonus na lang yung mining, yung nakabili noon. Tapos, pangalawa, meron tayong tinatawag na liquidity pledge. Okay? Sa team rewards, kikita ka dyan ng 0.2% first level and then 0.10% second level. Okay? May kita ka sa team rewards. Plus, meron kang sariling yung liquidity pledge. Ito nga, 42% monthly. So, kung meron kang $100 sa loob ng isang buwan, meron kang $42 monthly. So, ang total ROI mo is 142% o $142. So, 30 days kasama na yung capital and profits. Anytime, pwede mo siyang i-withdraw yung capital and profits or i-reinvest mo para mag-compounding yung pera mo. Okay? Yung $100 mo, pwedeng kumita yan ng 300k in 12 months. So, para ka nag-time deposit dito sa SCF. So, ganun kaganda yung ating company. So, napaka-generous plan yung kanyang compensation plan. Okay? So, wag matakot. Gawin mo tong extra income. Okay? Within 3 to 6 months, surely, may enjoy mo tong SCF. Okay? So, paano naman mag-GM o yung tinatawag na ranking general manager? Sa general manager, kailangan mo ng limang direct. Okay? O pwede kang mag-self-direct, yung tinatawag na multiple wallet, pwede mong invite yung sarili mo. So, 5 direct, and then, sa buong team mo, kailangan ma-accumulate mo yung $50k, walang time frame yun. So, pag na-hit mo yung $50k sa buong organization mo, so, congratulations, ikaw na IGM. So, meron kang 20% bonus reward sa lahat ng team mo sa ilalim. 20%. So, halimbawa, meron kang $100. So, daily meron kang kitang 20% doon. O, diba? Laking bagay. Okay? So, ang potential income ng GM is $100 to $200 daily. So, ma-enjoy mo tong SCF kapag seryoso kang gawin tong SCF. Okay? So, this Coach John, the helper. So, kung meron kang katanungan, so magtanong ka dyan sa description below. Mag-comments ka lang ano pa yung gusto mong malaman. So, tutulungan ka namin paano kumita rito. Okay? Tulong-tulong tayo. So, let's go Team PH. So, bago mag-December, lahat tayo mag-GM. Okay? So, congratulations again. Thank you for watching. So, don't forget to subscribe my channel. JD Delper TV. Okay, share nyo tong video para mapanood nila yung mga bagong members. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. God bless day. Mabuhay Pilipinas.